Hey YouTube, it's Terrence Barker, and in this video we're going to go over the difference between fragrance oil and essential oil. Why? Because you come into this channel to make sure that you know how to make soap and that you're smelling good, baby. Let's get to it.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright YouTube, as the video has said, we're talking about the difference between fragrance oil and essential oil. The two main differences between fragrance oil and essential oil is, one, fragrance oil is man-made. Essential oil comes from the earth. Now when it comes to fragrance oils, none of them are regulated by the FDA. They are regulated by a separate entity called the International Fragrance Association, which reports to the Research Institute of Fragrance Materials. Now with the International Fragrance Association, they are very strict. They go over a lot of things when it comes to ensuring that you have quality fragrance for your soaps, your candles, etc. All your cosmetics. They go over things like flash point, gravity, is it skin safe? They go over everything, ensuring that you have a quality product. And when you are purchasing your fragrance oils, you should make sure that your fragrance oils are all regulated by the International Fragrance Association when it comes to your supplier. Another thing that I would like to point out when it comes to fragrance oils is not all fragrance oils are the same. What works for potpourri and candles, not always gonna work right up on the skin. So do not place things that, fragrance oil scents inside of your soap that should be used for potpourri and candles. Use stuff that is skin safe, okay? Because there's a big difference. You're manufacturing a cosmetic. You need to ensure that you have top quality for people's skin. Now, when it comes to essential oils, it's pretty much simple. They are normally distilled or cold pressed oils that come from products from the earth. So essential oils should not be viewed as the same as fragrance oils. Now the drawback is with essential oils, although that you're going to have a good variety, it's not all plant-based material is going to produce an oil that has a scent. There are many plants that don't have an essential oil, such as watermelon. Some may have an oil like grape, but not an essential oil. There are 2,500 plants, but only 500 essential oils in the world. Now when it comes to fragrance oil, many of you guys clicked on this video because it deals with soap. Let's face it, you want to smell good, baby. You want to make sure you have something that is a quality product for your cosmetics. And you may be asking, alright Terrence, how much do I add to my batch? Because this video is a little bit drawn out. I got you. I got you. I got you, baby. I got to come all the way. I got you. First, I like to say how much fragrance oil you add is based upon your desire. But, and what I mean by that, with the but, alright, don't take me out of context. Don't take me out of context, you know what I'm saying? It is based upon, do you like your fragrance light, medium, or strong? And there are many different things on the internet that can help you out. One is a fragrance calculator. You could use a fragrance calculator from Brambleberry. They have a pretty good one. Or you could go old school. And I think SoCal.net has it too. I will include it in the link below. Because hey, guess what? You come into this video, I got to give you the dope knowledge. But what else I was saying is that you could go old school. And you could go and calculate your own.
7 times 13 is not 28.
You know, you want to go about a half an ounce to an ounce per pound of oils that you're going to use into your soaping recipe. And the half an ounce is, of course, you know, the mild scent. And then the 1 ounce is a little bit more on the stronger side. But like I said, if you want to play it safe, you can use the Brambleberry calculator to help you out. Different essential oils and fragrance oils can affect your soaping by 1, speeding up trace.
Acceleration is what happens when you speed up trace and the soap starts to get hard. Ricing happens when part of your fragrance oil binds with harder oils to form little rice shapes. As you can see, you can have a perfectly white soap in the beginning that could change colors to brown due to things like vanillin. So you might need a vanilla stabilizer to stabilize the color to prevent this from happening. So research well when you use fragrances or essential oils in your soap.
Alright YouTube, this was a great video. You know, as usual, when it comes to the Trinity House of Suds, we are going to give you the dopest, the latest, the greatest content when it comes down to your cosmetic manufacturing needs. So once again, like this video, comment below to let us know some of your ideas. If you have any questions or anything, or how you like this video, or some things that we can include, comment below. Because guess what? We're only gonna get better by you commenting and having this dialogue. You know, you own this channel. We like fam, dog. We like fam. We need your comments. You know, it needs to be a two-way dialogue on here. And then last but not least, hit that bell, baby, and subscribe to this channel. False Life, and I'm out.
Every single day